In 2026, much of what we call modern technology feels disposable, designed for obsolescence, engineered to be replaced. But occasionally, something emerges, an anomaly. The Clek Liing infant car seat is one such anomaly. This isn't about marketing fluff. This is about absolute certainty in the most uncertain moments. That integrated rigid-LATCH system, coupled with the metal load leg, isn't just a safety feature. It's a guarantee. 40% reduction in crash forces, yes, but for your daily routine, it translates to this. Imagine a calm, efficient morning. No wrestling with straps, no second guessing, no jiggling to ensure a secure fit. Just one decisive click. You reclaim those crucial 5, maybe 10 minutes every single morning, minutes that compound into hours, into days, over years. Hold it, really hold it. The chassis feels dense, not merely heavy, but solid. Cold aluminum, not plastic where it truly matters. There is zero flex. This isn't about aesthetics. It is about an absolute, uncompromising commitment to structural integrity. Every component, from the multi-layered, energy-absorbing foam to the 7 precise recline positions, is a deliberate design choice. Each one preventing error, ensuring optimal fit, reducing the mental burden of constant readjustments. This is a tool designed to prevent the need for its own replacement for your child and potentially your grandchildren. Now let's be candid. The release button for the load leg, while robust, feels a touch deliberate, not butter smooth, not something you can flick with a single digit, especially when new. It requires a firm, confident press. Some might call it stiff, but consider why it is stiff. It is a lock. A critical structural component designed for absolute immobility during impact. A minor inconvenience for an impenetrable peace of mind. Amazon prices on this model are, as expected, rather fluid. They shift with supply, demand, and unpredictable flash sales. If you are considering an investment of this magnitude, time is of the essence. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stock.